By now, you must have heard the news about the deposit refund scheme being introduced by the government of Goa from April 1st, 2026. Let us first explain to you what exactly is the deposit refund scheme introduced by the government of Goa. Starting April 1st, 2026, whenever you buy a bottle of soft drink, a bottle of water, or even a bottle of alcohol, you will end up paying two separate costs. One will be the MRP of that product mentioned on the packaging. The next cost will be a refundable green deposit ranging anywhere from 2 to 10 rupees on top of the MRP that you pay for that product. You will need to pay this extra amount upfront. And you get this extra money, this deposit back only if you return that undamaged plastic or glass bottle to the authorized center, which collects these packaging. The government of Goa is labeling this as a financial incentive to recycle. At MQM News Network, we will not mince our words or we will not lie to you. Let's be honest about what this really means. This initiative is not the government giving you money. This is the public financing its own recycling system. You as the consumer are paying a deposit so that later you get your own money back. And if you fail to return that bottle, the government and the private agency which will run the scheme keep your cash. But the problems for the consumers don't end here. MQM News Network digs deep into this. And we have found out major red flags that no one is either bothered to speak about or is too scared to bring up. First, let's talk about the millions of tourists visiting Goa every year. If a tourist from, say, Delhi or from Denmark, if they are visiting a beach in North Goa and they buy a bottle of plastic water, will that tourist then return to take back the money that they have paid extra on that product? Most likely, no. This means that this deposit scheme essentially functions as a tourist tax, adding further pressure on consumers directly. Now coming to the second point, the refund of this extra money being collected from consumers depends entirely on the QR code, which is printed on the bottle. The DRS committee chairman, Anthony Desa, has confirmed that QR codes will be used for tracking. What happens when that bottle gets wet in your fridge? Or what if the label simply tears? The rule in this deposit refund scheme is if the QR code is damaged even slightly, the deposit will be forfeited. So basically, the extra money that you have paid on top of the MRP simply vanishes in thin air because of a damaged piece of paper. And this DRS scheme completely puts apart all of those people who don't even own smartphones. So this scheme is basically limited, restricted to all those with fancy smartphones. The liquor industry has alone warned that implementing this scheme in peak season could cost the state exchequer over 100 crore rupees in lost revenue due to supply chain disruptions. The industry claims that reconfiguring production lines for these new Goa-specific QR codes will reduce production capacity by 30%. And where will the collection centers be? Officials have confirmed that initially 300 collection centers will be set up across Goa. But is that really enough? Currently, there is zero clarity on how bulk generators like hotels and restaurants will handle this issue or how rural consumers with limited access to these centers will end up getting their money back. Perhaps the most troubling critique comes from the Waste Management Association of Goa. They argue this scheme completely misses the mark. MQM News Network investigation reveals that this scheme will create a monopoly in the market. Like we had previously shown you in our news report about EcoStan Infra's 90 crore collaboration with the government of Goa, this scheme will be handed over to a private agency with the name Recycle. This private agency, Recycle, will sell the QR codes and most likely control the valuable recyclable material. What this means is that this will shift profits from the local kabadiwalas and waste pickers who used to collect this waste for a living right into the hands of a single corporate entity, which in this case will be Recycle. So at MQM News Network, we asked this question: is the deposit refund scheme by the government of Goa even thought through while rewarding a private corporation and the government? This initiative, deposit refund scheme, as being wrongly represented by several platforms, is not a gift to the public by the government. DRS scheme is basically interest-free loan that the public is being forced to give to a private system with the hopes that maybe, just maybe, they will end up getting their money back. For now, hold on to your receipts and those QR codes. This is a special report by MQM News Network. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay tuned in to MQM News Network. The Indian Army protects you from the enemies outside, while MQM News Network vows to protect you from the enemies within. Jai Bharat, Jai Innovation.